Today we're boarding the Disney Wish, Disney Cruise Line's most stunning ship yet. From even before getting on the ship, the anticipation just builds and builds. And once you walk through Mickey ears, the magic begins. Let's set sail. It's quiet now, but the excitement is already in the air. Inside the Port Canaveral terminal, guests can explore Disney Cruise Line history before even stepping foot on a ship. A floor map traces the journey ahead from Florida across the Bahamas, including Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Nearby, a detailed scale model of the Disney Magic, the very first ship in the ever-expanding Disney Cruise Line fleet, offers a close-up look of what makes each Disney vessel just a little unique, from the signature red funnels to the distinct atrium statue. And no two ships are exactly alike. And just beyond these awaits something Disney does like no one else, a personalized welcome as you officially step into the magic.
Welcome for the W family.
The first thing that greets you when you enter the Grand Hall is Cinderella, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. This isn't just a lobby, it's a royal welcome designed to make you feel like you've stepped into a storybook. From the golden staircase to the shimmering chandelier above, every detail is a tribute to classic Disney magic. Even the model displays outside the 1923 restaurant remind you this ship was built with both imagination and elegance in mind. It's equal parts theme park, palace, and floating dream. The artwork on the Disney Wish doesn't just hang on the wall, sometimes it moves. That's right, pieces that literally come to life, and others that surprise you with their detail, humor, or nostalgia. Some are grand and ornate, like the Cinderella mosaic, or those towering tapestries. Others are subtle, hidden in the carpet, tucked into stairwells, or embedded into the design itself. You could spend hours just wandering the ship, admiring each detail, or notice none of it at all. That's the magic of Disney design. It's everywhere if you want it, and invisible if you don't. But once you start spotting it, it's hard to stop looking. It's art not just for decoration, but for discovery. Every hallway holds something to discover, but even between the visuals, Disney keeps the atmosphere alive. Music plays softly throughout the ship, wrapping you in that unmistakable sense of magic wherever you go.
Yeah.
It's the most anticipated event of day one of a Disney cruise, the Sailaway Party, where some familiar friends help us kick off a cruise full of fun and adventure.
Wishes do come true!
Today we got our first impressions of the Disney Wish, but that was just the tip of the iceberg. Over the next few weeks, we'll take you deeper into this stunning ship, from one-of-a-kind restaurants and Broadway-style shows to Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. We hope you'll follow along with us for the full journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.